12 വയസ്സുള്ള ഒരു എഴുത്തുകാരി ഷാർജ ബുക്ക് ഫെയറിൽ തൻ്റെ ആദ്യ പുസ്തകം ഇത്തവണ പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സെറ ഷാജൻ എന്ന അബുദാബിയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ആ 12 വയസ്സുകാരി ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മോടൊപ്പം ഉണ്ട്. സ്വാഗതം, വെൽക്കം.
Good morning.
ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്.
I see this life like a singing wine, swing my heart across the line, and in my flesh just fashion lines. Seek it out, you shall find. Oh, but I'm not that old, young, but I'm not that bold, and I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. And I feel something so wrong, doing the My name is Sarasana Shajan. I am 12 years old and I come from Kollam in India, from Kerala. What do I say? This is my first ever book and yeah, I am settled in Abu Dhabi. Yes.
ഓക്കെ, വിച്ച് സ്കൂൾ യു സ്റ്റഡി?
I study in Abu Dhabi Indian School.
അബുദാബി ഇന്ത്യൻ
Yeah,
സ്കൂൾ.
Oru.
സെറയുടെ ബുക്കാണിത്. ദ വാർ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ഡിസൈനേഴ്സ് എന്ന പേരിലാണ് ഈ പുസ്തകം ഇവിടെ 16th അല്ലേ പബ്ലിഷ് 16th പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. റൈറ്റേഴ്സ് പുറത്ത് വെച്ച് പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യും. സെറ ദ വാർ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ഡിസൈനേഴ്സ് ആണ്. എന്താണ് വളരെ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പേരും ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു തീമൊക്കെ ആണെന്നാണ് അറിഞ്ഞത്. എന്താണ് പുസ്തകത്തെ കുറിച്ച്?
Alright. The topic, the heading, what do I say? It's like based on my characters only. But I was very brief with the topic because I know that these type of things happen in real life too between two other designers too. So I wanted to like relate to fashion designers too. For example, you're a fashion designer. It could relate to you because in a career there's like internal wars, internal fights, power plays, egos, things like that. It explores a lot of themes like that. So it's a very brief but very meaningful title.
I just read a few pages only. When I look into the language, it's very beautiful. And how you get into the writing?
I started writing at the age of 6, maybe 7.
Okay, you're
Okay,
right.
I've been very connected to the language English more than Malayalam. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So I used to start writing poems, short stories, songwriting, okay, and things like that. This vocabulary I built it on from school. I visit the library often. I read a lot of books, so the vocabulary just came as in that. I would say I'm an average writer, to be honest.
Okay.
So like a lot of my, if you see any hard or difficult words, probably from
Yeah,
my
it's-
dictionary I have at home.
And it's a poetic.
Yeah, it's like I try to mix a bit of poetic, cinematic style with my writing because I wanted to feel like you're watching a movie while reading my book. And it's very poetic, as in like one line could mean multiple meanings. So yeah, I'm a very layered writer.
Actually, I heard that it's your first book, but you are in the രണ്ടാമത്തെ പുസ്തകത്തിൽ എഴുതിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ? Yes, you are writing the second book.
The second book, it's going to be like a thriller, suspense type. I'm a big fan of these writers, like what do I say? A lot of writers, okay, Holly Jackson's, things like that, English writers.
Okay.
Okay, and I love like reading thriller, investigation books, and a lot of things like that. So I was like, why not give it a shot? Okay,
Is it the thriller is your genre? Or-
I want to try to write like a lot of genres, like give a chance to all of them. Maybe later on stick to one.
Okay.
Okay, but hopefully not. I like exploring things like a lot.
Okay. You have been here last 3 days and you will be
Yes.
some more days. Have you bought any books from here?
Huh?
Any books bought?
Yes, I bought The Good Girl's Guide to Murder from is it? Holly, and then we also bought Powerless by Lauren and Twisted Hate by Ava.
Okay.
Lot of-
Actually, what's your dream? The biggest dream? You like to be like an author or any other dreams?
So
Okay.
first I'm gonna study law. Okay, I
You
love
want a law?
Yeah.
Study law.
yeah, okay, law, and in between it, like I'm gonna publish a lot of books before I even get to college. Okay, most likely. So a side author, and I sing. So like on the side maybe like a singer too, a songwriter.
Okay. So why law?
Why law? I believe that recently I've been seeing a lot of injustice in the world. So I've been feeling that if I became a lawyer, I'm a very fair person. Even if it's between my friends, I only take part in who I like who I think it's correct. Okay, like values. I'm I'm a person of my own values. Okay, like I'm a person of, what do I say? I have my own set of values. I'm not going to cross that line that I have. So yeah, and I think like if I became a lawyer, I could help a lot of people who does not have the chance
Oh.
to get justice.